So you probably attended the design presentation which I have done on Sunday, 19th of September. So this is the design recording. First, you have to go to this icon, which is frame, and I'll just click F key on your keyboard. Then iMac. So that's the desktop one. Since we are making the desktop, and then name it to desktop. That's double clicking over here, and then you can type it. And then we have to put a taskbar thing over here, and then go to Google Chrome or your browser, type in burger png, then images, and then choose the burger which you want. So I'll choose this one, copy, paste. So it came with a background. So if you don't have a background, then this step is not required. But if you have a background, then this step is required. First, delete this, then save image. So anything you want. Save it. Then go to www.remove.pg. Then take this and drop it over here. And then it removes the background. Click on download. Then you'll get this. And then in Figma, click in your keyboard, click the keys Control, Shift, and K if you're on a Mac, or Command Shift K. I mean Control Shift K if you're on Windows, and Command Shift K if you're on a Mac. Yeah. Then it's in download, so I'll take it, and I'll just to have perfect pictures, perfectly aligned pictures, just click on Shift, the Shift key. And then we'll move it to the left corner so that it looks good, so that the customers or the people who will be reviewing this design would be seeing the text which we will put over there. And increase the height so that it fits the frame. Then click on the rectangle, the fill, change it to this brownish color. Yeah, that's not good, so I'll change it to a darker brown. Yeah, now this darker brown looks good. And now resize it a bit. Then you won't need Chrome anymore, so just click on close. Then type in over here, put it like over here from here to here. The enter burger, enter shop. Then click over here, then resize it. And click selected Roboto, that's the text. Change it to Excel 2. And then change the regular type font to a to gold, and yeah, adjust the size. And change the color to yellow, to a yellowish color. Then change the name to the burger. And then click the text again, and then draw a big box like this. Change it to yeah, it's already set. So, medium. Change the size about 64. Yeah, the burger. No, not that. No. Type in delicious, mouth watering burgers. And over here, select all of them. And this auto thing, you have to change it to yeah, something like this, the spaceship. And then select this burger text. Change the text to text size to yeah, that looks good. And then select all of them together and click on these three dots and fold and the full capital, which is 80, capital 80. And then just take it a bit like that. And then change the burger flow to yeah, this color, and then change it to black. Yeah. And might want to change this and change this so it's like it's kind of too big for me, so I'm changing it. Yeah, that's good. And then click on the rectangle button here. Hold no shift for this. Yeah, and then draw a rectangle. Copy. Actually, no, not copy. Click on Alt if you're on a PC, or Option if you're on a Mac. So first, let's make it big so that you can make it to a circle shape. And then yeah, now you can delete the other thing and then Alt or Option. Yeah. Then change this color to a lighter brown, which is actually going to be like this. Yeah. And for this one, just click on the fill as white and add a stroke. Change its color to this color and change one to about 5. Yeah, 5 looks good. Then add text, which is T. Change the size to about 18. Book a table. And now that's too big, so change it to 30. Yeah. And then Alt, which will bring it over here, and change it to from that color to this color. And then T to edit the text, or now yeah, oh that looks good. And then over here, this is just one more thing. Text, select text, and then change it to home. Zoom in a bit so that you can see it. Actually, change the size to about 80. Copy, paste, hold shift so that it's in the same line, and then alt. So if you see this line, that means all of them are even. First, let's change this text to about. And then this text to contact. Okay. And you've probably seen this. Yeah, order now. Yeah. So that's what we're going to put. Home, about, contact, order now. Actually, change this text to take out, and then home, about, contact. Actually, change the size. It's too big. Then out the credits and more order now. And that's pretty much it for the desktop version. So next one is the mobile phone. Here click on frame phone and click on iPhone 11 Pro Max. That's the biggest one, and change it to mobile. And actually bring it closer. Change the size. Here, click on the burger picture which you have chosen. Alt or Option, bring it to the mobile. And actually decrease the size with actually press K, and then yeah, this looks good. And then escape so that the K thing resize won't be there. Okay. And over here, just click this one, this, and click on Control G if you're on a PC or Command G if you're on a Mac. And then Alt or Option. Yeah. And then resize this to the smallest thing. Then over here, ungroup it by pressing Ctrl Shift G if you're on a PC, or just Command Shift T if you're on a Mac. So this change the alignments like this, and the thing bring different burger. Burger shop, and then I'll lock the burger so that I can't have it. And then click on the shapes tool, and line, or just click on L. Hold Shift to drop a perfect line. Change the fill to white, and then this thing to this to about 3. Copy, paste, then extend it by holding Shift again, and copy, paste, bring it down, and make it the size of the top one. So that's the menu which you'll get, that's the menu which for the phone. Then the home, etc., the home, about, etc. will come. Let's post this. Yeah. And then take this Alt option. Then K. Escape K. For this one, it'll be actually kind of small. That's the only thing which will be hard from the box. And then these things. What happened was something happened. Then copy these things or Alt, bring them over there, and K, and put them over there. And there. That's pretty much the design. So before watching the prototyping thing, you first have to design it. So please first watch this thing. And yeah, that's it. Bye.